Hi there. We're going to show you how to connect to an EC2 Windows instance. It's really easy. On the way, we're going to show you how to use an elastic IP. So here we have a server. It's a charming HMail server because we are charming. That's Charming Cloud. You can find us in the AWS Marketplace. All right, so you go to Elastic IPs, and if you didn't create an IP address yet, just do allocate new IP address, and it will. And then when you get back to this screen, right-click and do associated address. So then you'll see these fields won't be filled out, and you'll have a list of all your instances. I gave mine an instance Charming HMail server so that it's easy to find, and we just select it. And we choose OK. We usually have to move my picture out of the way. We do associate. Now it's associated, so if we want to connect to it, it's really easy. So once you launched and have an IP address, of course, they'll give you an IP address, but we need an elastic IP address because we need an IP address that will always be there. When you shut down and restart an EC2, if it doesn't have an elastic IP address, it gets a different IP address. Just beware of that. So now, in order to connect, we go to our instances, we right-click, we click on Connect, and then we're going to do two things. We're going to do download remote desktop file, and that's going to download the RDP file that has the administrator and it has the IP address and it's pretty ready to go. So we're not going to do that right now. Then you're going to you need the Windows password because you don't know what it is. So you have, when you created your instance, or maybe a while ago when you created other instances, you have a signature. You have you have a key file, so you're going to open the key file. I'm just going to show you basically how to do it. I'm not going to open the key file because I don't want you to see all the key. So here you're going to select one of your PEM files. I have lots of them. You might have only one. The one that it tells you the name here. You're going to select that one, and then this little window is going to fill with numbers, and you're going to press decrypt password. And it's going to show you a password, and you need to copy that. Just like when it's there, just copy it, and then close this. So then you're going to open up the little remote desktop file that you downloaded before. We're going to open it like this because otherwise it's going to not ask me for the password, and I have this set up to ask me for a password. So when you click on the downloaded RDP file, it's going to open a little window like this. And you're going to just press connect, and it's going to ask for a password. You're going to paste the password in because I have it from before. I won't mind, right? You can do that. You're going to, if this is you have an elastic IP, so you should do remember me and all those things, so that next time when you don't have to download the file each time. You can just rerun that RDP file that you downloaded. If you do remember me, it remembers the password. Now, it didn't work because I didn't paste the right thing in. So here is the correct password. Let's paste the correct password into there. Alright, we can see it looks like a password now. Okay, and now we're going to hit OK. And it's going to open up our remote connection, and here we have it. Here is our remote connection. You have a regular whole Windows thing here, just a regular desktop of Windows. This is a Windows 2012 server. It's exactly the same thing for Windows 2016 server, or any Windows 10 that you manage to connect to remotely, but it's usually with a server. The same exact thing, and you can just run whatever you like. We're running a mail server, but we won't demonstrate that for you right now. Just show you. You can open up, Notepad. regular Windows. All right, and in order to log out, this actually leaves the desktop here. If I close it with an X, it doesn't log, it just logs me out of the server, but it leaves it there. Like if I log back in again, I'll show you. Logs back in, it will open up Remote Desktop, and here it's got that one already. Alright, I think it's even going to ask us for the password again, because I told it ask me every time. And now it's going to connect, and we should see the notepad still opened. Okay, so it's really easy to connect with Remote Desktop, so don't be afraid of firing up, launching EC2 instances with Windows. We sell lots of them. Just check for Charming Cloud. Look for in the AWS marketplace, look for Charming Cloud. You can also look on the internet for Charming, charm, CHARM.I.NG, and you will open our homepage. Thank you.